We ran another poll asking, what is holding you back from consistent income selling feet pics? And the top answer, surprisingly, was not pricing. That is the first thing that would come to mind for me. It also was not looks. 38% actually said inconsistency. Let's fix that. Let's talk real examples. Take Strong Toes XXX on FeetFinder. They've accumulated over 2,400 followers, posted 200 plus videos, and uploaded 380 photos, you guys. That didn't just happen overnight. Not viral luck, just consistent posting that commands attention and compounds everything over time. When buyers see steady uploads, that is when trust builds. And trust is what turns views into purchases. Another real world example comes from Reddit. A post by Feet Queen 2, that's Feet-Queen number 2, reached over 200,000 views and earned 200 plus upvotes. That didn't happen by accident. It happened because the creator showed up with content buyers already wanted and literally just posted it where buyers already are. One post can spark momentum, but consistent posting always builds income. Let's talk realistic pricing ranges. These are common averages, not official rates, and they vary by creator. It really depends on who you are and what you do. So for basic photos, they are usually between $5 and $15. For the themed bundles, you're looking at maybe between $10 and $25. And then for custom photos, $20 to $50 plus is the sweet spot. And then of course we have to add in short custom videos, which is super common these days. And that ranges between $40 to $100 plus. Important disclaimer, these numbers are estimates. Sources may be outdated or inaccurate, so always keep that in mind. Actual earnings vary widely and depend entirely on individual effort, content quality, niche, platform activity, and consistency. There's no guarantees in this line of business, but there is a clear pattern among creators who stick with it and are consistent. Here is how creators stay consistent without burning out. Batch content 1 day per week. Rotate simple themes instead of reinventing every single post. Set a realistic posting schedule that you know that you will be able to maintain. Treat it like a business, not a motivation-based hustle. Track progress monthly, not daily. Consistency doesn't mean posting every day. It means not disappearing. If you struggle with what to post, challenges make consistency easier. One repeatable idea is the Tickle Your Feet challenge. This isn't about being explicit. It's reaction-based, playful content that's super easy to film and repeat over and over as many times as you need to. Ways that different creators use it? Well, sometimes they put it in short clips, reacting to the different tickling sensations. They also do POV style angles focused on movement and expressions. They also use simple storylines like, can I last 10 seconds? Or level 1 versus level 5. Why this works? It's so low effort to film. The natural reactions that come from being tickled automatically are there without overthinking what you're doing. It's so easy to turn into a content series. It also keeps buyers engaged and coming back, which is what we want. Challenges remove decision fatigue. You already know the format. You just have to show up. If this video helped you rethink consistency, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future strategies, challenges, and real creator breakdowns. On this channel, we share actionable tips to help you sell smarter, stay consistent like we've been talking about, and grow long term. And when you're ready to keep building your feet empire, continue your journey as a creator at FeetFinder.com. Show up, post consistently, and let the momentum stack.